Hey guys, good morning everybody. So today I'm showing you the new website for Sugar Plum Dolls. Oh my gosh, I know you guys are so tired of me changing the web page, but I like to switch it up a little bit every now and then. And also I'm really looking for very basic website, because I know when people stop by my website, you're just looking for one specific thing, and I don't want you to have to scroll through a whole bunch of stuff on there on a web page. I've seen so many web pages where it's like you're just trying to find that one thing, and there's so much stuff on there. Excuse me. Sorry. Um So yeah, so this is the new main page when you bounce in, and I know you remember those of you who watch my channel, you have seen the Easter egg cupcakes. Those came out so cute. Um, so when you scroll through the site, this is a really simple, basic WordPress design. You get the categories, and they all have pull down menus, so you can see all the other stuff there. Just a little intro, and yep, you'll see a little ad, so you can support me by simply shopping, and the link clicks through, so that's cool. Let me show you one of the pages, what they look like. Why is my computer so slow? Oh, okay, there you go. So this is what my web pages look like going forward. Real simple. You get kind of a picture of a preview thumbnail of what the video or information is all about. You get to click through to the actual video. Hey, my little profile photo. You get all my little social media links, and then you'll see some ads for some of the stuff that I use or some of the stuff that I recommend. You can buy it online, and remember, things you buy online support me with this endeavor, so I can keep making more videos and stuff, and I won't have to charge you guys for access to all this stuff. Then when you get down to the bottom of the page, it's going to talk about some related or recommended videos. Like, this is the macaroni and cheese part 2 video, and you can see it's showing you it'll let you go back to the part 1 video. And if you want to comment, you can do that, but you got to log in to WordPress, and that's free. Just log in with WordPress if you want to post a comment. And then I give you some of the more recent posts and another little ad. So that's it. That's what the new website looks like, y'all. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see something new or whatever. But once again, I appreciate everybody's support. Thanks for stopping by. And may it rain love on your day. Bye.